Nupe women are known to know how to wind their waists. They are known for it. I'm so happy to have you people here. Come on. See that. See that. Afternoon, Abuja and Nigeria. Welcome to the Nollywood 12th edition of the New Yam Festival. And right behind me are beautiful women from Niger State. Am I right? Oh, give us a dance, please. Come on. Don't worry, dance it. Show us. Come on. Nupe women are known to know how to wind their waists. They are known for it. I'm so happy to have you people here. Come on. See that. Welcome. Thank you very much. Yes, please. Introduce yourself.
I'm Calabar.
Oh, yes.
I'm wearing what my dress is called Onyonyo.
Please.
I'm Hausa. I'm wearing a Hausa attire.
Oh, you see, beautiful woman.
I'm representing my husband's people of Nupe, Niger State, Kubelaji.
Anyway, my name is Mrs. Maria Odi, aka Mary Jax, and I'm one of the awardees. Representing my husband's community. Yes, sir. Imo State, Olu to be precise.
To the world.
I'm Mrs. Etsu Ndagi. I'm from Niger State.
Oh, Niger
representing
State.
the Nupe.
Yeah, she has said it all. We represent Nupes from Niger State.
Welcome very much. So our topic today for the New Yam Festival is the role of African women in preserving the African culture. Please, what are you doing to preserve our culture?
As you can see, the role of African women in preserving our cultures. You can see we still wear our traditional attire. This is from Nupe land, right? Niger State. Beat that to be precise, or Mokwa, or we still wear the same thing. So we still wear the same thing. I'm wearing baggy attire. So this is what we do. Our children, we make sure they speak our languages, so that our culture and our tradition can remain. No matter where you travel to, you come back, you still do the same thing. And we women, we don't want to lose out of our culture. We still make our hair, that's 2 hands and all that. We still do that. If you look at this madam, if she remove her cap now, you will see the hair on her hair. So you mustn't wear all this we're wearing, So that is, I think, few things we've been doing to preserve our culture. We still try to teach our children how to speak our languages,
Yes,
thank you so much.
We are so happy to have you here. Yes, the food. So these are amazing and lovely women. They wear their cultural dresses and they cook their cultural food that is known from their place, and they also teach their children their language. Women are the custodians of culture, and we are glad to have these amazing women here. Thank you, Abuja.